If you prefer to have total control over your nightly rates instead of letting the algorithm decide, you might want to disable the automation on your account. In this video, I will show you how to turn off smart pricing on Airbnb so you can set your own custom prices. To begin, log into your Airbnb account and click on Switch to Hosting at the top right to access your hosting dashboard. From the menu, select Listings and click on the specific property you want to update. Once the listing page loads, click on the Calendar tab at the top. With the calendar view open, look at the right-hand side of the screen under the Pricing tab. Locate the Smart Pricing section, which should currently be toggled on. To disable it, simply flick the switch to off. Once you turn it off, Airbnb will stop automatically adjusting your rates based on demand, and your nightly price will revert to your base price or the manual rates you've set. That's how you turn off smart pricing on Airbnb.